What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon Fly Mars, coming to you live in my dorm at Morgan State University, the Mecca. Alright, and today I'm gonna show you how I started with my 90 waves. You see these joints right here? They crispy. Not yet though, but they getting there. And I'm gonna show you today. So let's start! As you can see, these right here are called 90 waves. Not 360, 90 waves. From the sides, you don't see any waves right there. That's why they're not 360. Don't get it wrong now. Your grandma gonna be like, hey son, I like your 360 waves. But guess what? These are 90, grandma. So, right here, as you can see, the waves are starting to pop out. But some of these spots right here, I've been overwoofing, or as they call it, over brushing, and using a lot of water. But, you know, to get them out and stuff, you gotta use the hard brush. This is called the Titan. There's a reason why it's called the Titan. No man. But you brush right here, try to get the over whipping out. And sometimes, you know, it may come out, it may not. So you gotta use the comb. The really, really skinny comb. It's really, really skinny. You take this, oh God have mercy. You comb it subtly. Right here. Right here. Make sure you get some of them spots right here. There we go. Coming out, my hair greasy. Woo! Can't wait till these waves come out right here. Do not worry. It may look like your waves are gone, but they're not. They're still there. All you gotta do is just use your regular brush and brush it back. And soon these waves will be popping. But do not worry. Do not worry. When you pop up in school, or wherever the hell you going, job, strip party, anything like that, you know, everybody gonna be like, God damn, look at them waves right there. And guess what? You gonna tell them, it's 90 waves, don't get it wrong, on your back. Alright, but yeah, that's just what I'm starting with. It's not there yet, it's just a process. This is like my third week or so, or second week if you may say. And you know, I'm gonna get there soon. It's like my shirt says, no excuses, 0 excuses. So keep brushing. Do not stop brushing. And as I'm gonna say, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and do not forget, I know I'm gonna say it, and Eric, you're gonna be like, bro, we get it. But like, comment, and subscribe, and just tell me how I did on my first video. If you didn't like it, there's the door. If you liked it, what's up? Oh, I didn't say the word, but what's up, bro? But you know, thank you for watching, and bye.